Hello, good day. I know the reason why you clicked on watching this video is because you're interested to know more about this business. So maaring matagal mo na ito nakikita sa pag-scroll sa social media or maaring first time mo. So let me help you in explaining on how this business works. But before anything else, let me introduce myself to you. Let me share my screen. Ayan. So as you can see in my screen, I'm James Garcia. I'm 24 years old. So I graduated from De La Salle College of St. Benilde. So thank God, with all humility, I was able to graduate and finish as cum laude and scholar back then. So my course was Bachelor of Arts in Digital Filmmaking. So after graduated college, as you can see here, I started working as a film production assistant. But pandemic came, both of my parents are seniors already. So I wanted to find another job to protect them against COVID-19. So right now, as of speaking, I am a full-time graphic designer, work from home, US-based. So dahil US-based, awa ng Diyos, nakakaipon-ipon naman ako. But my main problem was I didn't want all my funds and earnings to be stored sa bangko. Kasi napakalabo, di ba, napakanipis, nalalago lahat ng pera kung nasa bangko lang. So if I'm not mistaken, yung inflation rate natin, di ba, tsaka yung interest rate natin, napakanipis lang. So I was praying hard, no, kay God na to be able to find an opportunity to maximize and expand my finances well. And it was just this year, no, as of speaking, April 9, 2023, na nagbabrowse lang din ako sa social media, no, dito sa Facebook, na-discover ko tong online franchise business. And actually, no, it was through a total stranger, no, si Sir Renz, na ngayon kino-consider ka ng second family. Sa kanya ako nag-inquire and explain the business to me. So I started, no, in this business. Nag-register ako April 9, 2023, and 2 weeks later, I got my first check dated April 27. No, in awa ng Diyos, in just 2 weeks, I was able to earn a net income of 209,000 pesos doing the online franchise business part-time. So that's when I realized na ako, no, wala akong prior knowledge sa business, malayo sa linya. It's a big jump from arts to entrepreneurship. I'm really grateful that I was able to find this kind of business na it's also a blessing and bonus pa. No, first month, na-awardan pa ako ng recognition lang sa company natin, sa community. I was awarded top 5, top earner. And the next month, I was able to be awarded no top 2, top direct no May 2023. So ano ba tong business na to? Ang pangalan ng company is House of Franchise. So it is a one-stop shop franchise business because it is a company which offers a multi-franchise business. Multi-franchise meaning marami tayong franchise na pwedeng pagkakitaan dito sa business. So we have the food, we have the digital, we have the essentials. No? Sa food, ito yung mga sikat na Siomai King, Noodle House, Mambox, Boy Bonda, Shop Out the King, Potato King, at marami pang iba. Dahil multi-franchise, we also have the digital franchise, no, yung TokTok, kakompetensya ni Grab in Lalamove, and we also have the essentials, no, yung mga health and wellness beauty products, lalo na yung mga naghahanap ng skincare and wellness products na later on, we'll discuss it in full detail. But to give you a little bit more background sa company natin, no, ito, no, itong business na to, fit to everybody, lalo na kung ikaw, no, maraming mga bayarin or gusto mo mawala na yung utang mo, mabayaran yung mga utang mo, or ikaw ba yung tipo na naghahanap ng negosyo na hindi ka na masasarahan, yung pandemic proof, no, na kahit wala kang physical store, magwo-work pa rin, or ikaw ba yung tipo ng tao na naghahanap ng negosyo na kahit nasa abroad ka, kahit OFW ka, pwede ka pa rin kumita, or ikaw ba yung ang daming mga bayarin, no? Ang daming mga utang din, no? Pero dahil dito sa business na to, matutulungan ka. So ang kagandahan, meron tayong ino-offer na online na negosyo dito sa House of Franchise. Pero yun nga 'di ba? Pag sinabing business kasi, ang iniisip mo, ano ba yung mga negosyo, ano ba yung mga prosesong gagawin mo, paano yung marketing. So ang daming sistema. Pero ang kagandahan dito sa House of Franchise, no, meron na system na nakahanda. And even sa mga other food chains and brands, no, pag tinitingnan natin na ang sarap sa feeling, no, kung nagmamay-ari ka o franchisee ka ng mga brands like McDo, Jollibee, Mang Inasal, 7-Eleven, but our problem is, swerte mo na lang kung ganun kalaking capital mo. Like for example, sa McDo, Jollibee, may 40 to 60 million pesos ka to be able to start a franchise. Mang Inasal, no, 10 million plus, 7-Eleven, no, nasa 4 million pataas na yung franchise na. Itong mga to malalaking brands, no, hindi bababa ng 1,000,000. Pero yung kagandahan dito sa franchising, lalo na sa franchise, low capital fee lang, may proven system, low risk, high success rate, no? And we have the fast payback period na later on we'll discuss that in detail. And just to share with you, no, ang kagandahan naman, in fact, we have our own main office located sa Shaw Boulevard, Pasig. And if you're familiar with Shaw, to kahanin nito yung EDSA Shangri-La, SM Mega Mall. To be able to put up an office dito sa Shaw Boulevard, it would take millions of investment. It just goes to show na ganoon kaganda yung company na meron tayo. And another good thing, no, na ang dami na ng mga big icons, big celebrities na na-appreciate na itong business and nag-start na rin dito mag-franchise dito sa House of Franchise, like no other than Mr. Michael Pacquiao, no, Mr. Enrique Hill, Mr. Dingdong Dantes, Miss Kylie Padilla, at napakarami pang ibang mga celebrities na pati sila, no, gusto nilang magdagdag additional source of income dito sa franchising. And ang good news, no, etong business natin was already established year 2006. So 17 years na tayo running and active sa business as of speaking. So dito sa business, no, meron tayong multi-franchise. So starting with the food franchise, no, ito yung mga sikat na Siomai King, Boy Bondat, Mambox, Potato King, Noodle House, Siopaw the King, no, and we have food carts available din na ino-offer. As of now, we have available, no, na Noodle House, Potato King, Mambox, and our flagship franchise brand na Siomai King. Na ang kagandahan, we have over 1,000 outlets nationwide, and as of speaking, I think we have almost 2,000 na. And ang kagandahan naman sa mga food carts natin, no, ang daming mga locations na pwedeng ipagpatayo. Ilan lang to mga nasa baba, no, yung mga train stations, shopping malls, groceries. But to give you more detail about sa online franchise business, yun naman yung i-discuss din natin. And another trivia, we also have our own commissary located sa Dasmariñas, Cavite City. So hindi na tayo nag-outsource ng mga frozen food products. Tayo na mismo ang nagmamay-ari ng factory and tayo mismo ang direct supplier. And the good news, FDA approved and GMP quality. Ibig sabihin, good manufacturing practice certification. So wala tayong makikitang ni alikabok or hibla ng buhok sa mga produkto natin. And in fact, no, sa food natin, we already produce 30 million pieces of siomai and 2.5 million of pieces of siopaw, not just yearly but monthly. And besides the food franchise, we also have the digital franchise na TokTok, no, yung kakompetensya ni Grab and Lalamove. And we also have the health and wellness beauty products na later on, we'll discuss it per franchise, per detail, no? And ang kagandahan din naman, once you sign up as a franchisee, no, hindi mo na nga po problemahin yung marketing support kasi si company nang bahala sumagot dyan. Even yung pag-put up ng mga major billboards sa EDSA, sa Pasig, na it would take millions of investment din para ma-endorse, no, sa billboards. Pero ang kagandahan, even sa mga celebrity influencers, no, brand endorsers, brand ambassadors natin, na kahit ang lalaki ng talent fees, si company lahat sumasagot nun. Pero tayo, dahil nasa franchising, may system na rin nakahanda, and ang babayaran lang naman natin is the one-time capital fee. And to give you a little bit more background sa co-founders natin, our President and CEO, si Mr. Jonathan So. And ang childhood best friend niya, our Vice President Chief Finance Officer, si Mr. Carlito Macadangdang. So sa kanila, wala rin naman question ng credibility, no? Because napakataas ng exposure nila, no? Dahil lumalabas na sila not just sa social media but also sa news articles, news outlets, and even sa front cover ng magazines like People Asia, Lifestyle Asia. Now, if you're familiar with those kinds of magazines, ka-level na nila yung mga big business tycoons na na-feature doon. So we also got featured sa Manila Bulletin, Daily Inquirer, CNN, Reader's Digest, and even, no, sa Asia Leaders Awards, na-awardan na tayo Franchise Company of the Year for 3 consecutive years na. And yan, we also have our own official website na makikita mo rin yung mga seals of approval, other recognitions and achievements ng company natin. And a good news, we also have our own IT company called Cloud Panda. So Filipino-owned to and actually pagmamay-ari to ng company natin. And trusted tayo ng big companies or clients like Pure Gold, Ferrari World. We also have international like Google. We also have Globe, Union Bank, Robinsons, BDO, SM at marami pang iba. And a good news, no? Meron tayong na-establish na si company, no, si House of Franchise na tinatawag nating Fast Track Program. Na ito yung dahilan kung bakit isa po ako sa napakaraming franchisees ang kumikita ng mabilis, and not just mabilis, ng malaki dito sa online franchise business. Because sa Fast Track program, we have only 4 easy steps kung paano kumikita dito sa online franchise business na you can earn up to 90,000 pesos monthly depending on your execution, depending on your performance. No? Na ito, it would vary. Na ako actually, no, with all humility, I was able to earn 6 digits na 209,000 pesos in just 2 weeks when I was just starting dito sa online franchise business. So, before we proceed to the other steps, we're gonna start with step number 1 na napakadali, napakasimple, which is of course, to avail or to get a franchise. No? So dahil multi-franchise tayo, we're gonna start with the food franchise. So sa food franchise, no, we have the community and online franchise. Ito yung mga sikat na Siomai King, Shop of the King, Noodle House, Potato King, Mang Box Boy Bantat, at marami pang iba. So once you sign up as a franchisee, bibigyan ka ni company ng personal shop link or website na nakapangalan sa iyo wherein yung customers mo mag-order na lang online. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit napakadaling kumita dito sa House of Franchise because very doable, very portable yung business because the setup is online. No? So kagandahan, pagdating sa stocks, pagdating sa delivery, and sa payment, si company na lahat bahala mag-asikaso nun. What you will do na lang talaga is to promote the business using the shop link na nakikita mo dito sa left side. And in other words, no, if you're familiar with the term dropshipping, ganun yung magiging setup natin. But if you're also that type of person na interested din about sa community franchise, nakasama naman to no, sa avail mong package, na pwede ka rin naman prepare or mag-ready ng mga on-hand stocks mo sa bahay, sa freezer, no? Ito yung tinatawag nating community franchise. Lalo na kung sa community mo, sa village mo, subdivision, or sa area mo, sa tingin mo maraming customers na magpo-purchase ng frozen food products natin, pwede naman. No? But if you're like me, na ako, I find it really more convenient and less hassle no, of doing the online franchise lang with the shop link. If-forward mo na yung shop link, pwede ka na kumita na ito. Estimate, very conservative, 20 to 30,000 pesos monthly. No, grabe, dito pa lang sa food franchise. And the good news, we have another way to earn, which is yung digital franchise natin, na bibigyan ka ni company ng referral code, wherein yung transactions mo within TokTok, and actually even yung mga family, friends, and other people na bibigyan mo ng referral code, may kikitain ka sa mga transactions like pagpapadeliver, online food, TokTok Go, four-wheel rides, no? Online shopping sa TokTok Mall, na even pagbabayad ng bills, pagbabayad ng load, lahat ng yan may kikitain ka. And the good news, you can also apply as TokTok operator for free. No, kasama na yun sa babayaran mo. No? To at least 25 riders na pwede mong bigyan ng hanap buhay. So kikita sila through delivery bookings. Even yung mga nag-grab Ilala Move, pwede rin nila i-sideline to for their additional source of income. And tayo, TokTok operator, of course, may kikitain din tayo doon. And ito yung estimate natin na conservative 20 to 30,000 pesos monthly ang pwede mong kitain dito sa digital franchise pa lang. And we have another way to earn yung mga health and wellness beauty products natin, no? Like ito yung mga products natin, for example, organic barley juice imported from New Zealand. We have the K-Pads, no, panty liner for women with negative ions to. We have the Good Leaf Ashitaba coffee imported from Japan. We also have the Calvit C. Ito yung sodium ascorbate vitamin C na kahit walang laman yung sikmura mo, pag inintake mo itong vitamin C, hindi masakit sa tiyan. Ito na-endorse na ito ni Carla Abellana, Marian Rivera. We also have the kind products. Ito yung mga skincare imported from Korea. We also have the 4Green and the OmniFit. Itong OmniFit, yung mga weight loss products natin imported pa from Iceland. So ang kagandahan naman with the essentials natin, no, bibigyan ka rin ni company ng personal shop link or website na nakapangalan sa iyo wherein yung customers mo mag-order na lang din ulit online. So very convenient siya, di ba? Because again, pagdating sa stocks, sa delivery, and sa payment, si company na lahat bahala mag-asikaso nun. What you will do na lang talaga is to promote the business using the shop link. In other words, dropshipping ulit ang setup natin. And ang kagandahan, no, pagdating sa essentials, international distributor na tayo because we have other countries din na nakatayo na yung mga business centers natin. Like you can see sa left side, no, if kinlik mo yung icon ng website or ng globe, no, pwede mong palitan kung saang country manggagaling yung customer. Like for example, ito manggagaling siya sa Italy, kaya yung conversion nito, naka-convert na siya into euros, hindi na naka-peso. So ganun siya ka-convenient para yung customers mo, alam na nila kung magkano yung ipapurchase nila. So kaganahan dito sa essentials, no, estimate, no, conservative pa lang to, 20 to 30,000 pesos monthly ang pwedeng kitain. So in total, to sum it up, ang estimate, pwede mong kitain 60 to 90,000 pesos monthly dito sa food, digital, and essentials. And after we've accomplished step number 1 of availing the franchise, that's when we proceed to step number 2, which is learn. Na ito yung sobra ko na-appreciate personally, no? Kasi ako, knowing na ako malayo talaga yung linya ko from arts to entrepreneurship, this is my first business ever and wala talagang prior knowledge sa business. So I really appreciate this and I'm really grateful na meron tayong platform na ganito, na you will have your own exclusive access sa training videos natin na maintindihan mo, no, how this business works, no, ano yung ways to earn and how to promote. Lahat dito maituturo naman. And sa step 3, which is of course, we recommend to use or to consume the products. Like for example, sa food, no, maganda rin naman, syempre matikman mo yung products na ibebenta natin, no? Even sa siomai, no, kagandahan naman kasi pagdating sa food, basic commodity siya. Ibig sabihin, sino ba naman araw-araw ang hindi kumakain ng food? So especially sa siomai din, no, sino ba naman ang hindi bibili? So every day, kailangan natin ng food. So sa food pa lang, patok na yung negosyo natin. And even sa digital, no, matagal na natin to actually ginagawa. Yung pag-online shopping, no, pagpapadeliver, pagbabayad ng bills, pagbabayad ng load, and even, no, sa essentials, yung weight loss products, pag-intake ng vitamin C, ng mga skincare, whitening soaps, yung organic barley, no, yung mga panty liner. So if you come to think of it, no, siguro naman wala ka naman nababalitaan na may nakapag-predict na 5 to 10 years from now na meron ng mga tao, no, na lahat actually buong mundo titigil na sa pagpapapayat, pagpapaputi, or mawawala na ng sakit, no, wala nang magi-intake ng mga organic products para matanggal yung sakit or wala nang magi-skincare, magva-vitamin C. So, imagine, no, meron at meron pa din. So, yun yung kagandahan din dito sa business natin na while we are benefiting from consuming our products and services, meron din tayong kikitain dito. So, that is the best part, no? And dito sa step 1, 2, and 3, yung kagandahan nyo, you can already earn 60 to 90,000 pesos, no, potentially monthly through online and community franchise. And ganito, actually may mga franchises kasi nagtatanong sa akin, Sir James, paano kung ayaw ko po magbenta ng products? Ayaw ko mag-sell, ayaw ko mag-retail ng products. Is there another opportunity or way to earn to be able to maximize the online franchise business dito sa House of Franchise? Definitely meron. Na actually ito very optional lang. Like if you're already satisfied, no, with selling na products, okay ka na dun sa earnings mo doon. You can actually opt to not to do this one. But if you're already interested in doing this one, then pwede mo nga actually pagsabayan. Na dito, estimate, no, big bonus opportunity, you can already earn 150 to 200,000 pesos monthly. So dito, example lang, no, na you just refer 4 franchise partners. Basically, ang way to earn natin sa step number 4 is matagal na natin ginagawa, no, yung pakipagkwentuhan sa mga tao, pakipag-update sa mga ganaps. Yung iba nga sa atin, di ba, nakipag-chismisan about sa buhay ng ibang tao. So why not this time, pag-usapan natin paano kikita, how to set up a business, how to join an online franchise business like this. So basically, by sharing the business with other people and by inviting them to become our franchise business partner, meron tayong kikitain doon na tinatawag nating direct referral income. So ito, ang kagandahan naman kasi dito, no, sa business din natin, lalo na sa step 4, no, of referring, no, it's not just limited to doing this business locally, no, dito sa Pilipinas. You can definitely do this even, no, ma-reach natin even abroad. Kasi ako, ang kagandahan, no, just to share it with you, I already have franchise partners, no, abroad, no. Meron na ako sa US, sa Australia, even OFWs from Saudi, no, from Taiwan. So definitely, pwedeng gawin to. And we have different packages available for the online franchise package. No? Ito, depending on your budget, it is very flexible naman. No? Na ibig sabihin lang naman ito that a higher franchise package that you avail, no, mas mataas yung capital puhunan mo, mas malaking kikitain mo because mas mataas yung commission mo, percentage of sales mo, and yung benefits mo mas mataas. No, so we have the Diamond franchise package, that the highest available franchise package for online that we have. We have the Ruby, we have the Emerald, na later on we'll discuss it in detail. So ito, makikita mo yung year projection na to. Ito ginawa to ng former general accountant ni Mr. Manny Pangilinan, si Coach Gene Bacho. No? Ayan, makikita mo dito yung projection na kung ano yung package niya avail mo, yun yung katumbas na potential earnings mo per month na syempre habang tumatagal, mas lumalaki. So, ang good news, no? Once you avail the franchise, meron tayong mga incentives din. Na meron tayong mga food cart, no? Imagine, no, magnenegosyo ka lang, pero ang daming libre. Na ito actually kaka-announce lang to, no, as of speaking, no, months ago lang to. So meron tayong libreng food cart. So magkakaroon ka rin ng libreng opportunity for luxury shopping. Pwede ka rin, no, magkaroon ng libreng sasakyan. At ang pinaka-the best for me, no, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko din, no, libreng house and lot or condo. Na imagine, kikita ka lang naman dito sa online franchise business, pero may mga palibre ka pa. Na ito actually, after watching this video, we can discuss din about this one naman, most especially kapag nag-sign up ka na din as franchisee. No? And ang good news din, because of this business, online franchise, no, House of Franchise, na balita noong January 31, 2023, napakarami na, no, even ng pandemic, ang kumita na malaki, no? Different walks of life, different working professions, no? Nakalagay dito more than hundreds, no? More than 200s na to. Syempre noong January pa to. Ang dami ng mga kumita ng milyon. And now, talking about the capital, no, for online franchise package, we're gonna start with the highest one, which is the Diamond. Itong Diamond, no, hindi ka naman na magbabayad ng 3 million pesos. Imagine, ang capital fee for the Diamond franchise is only around 554,000 pesos. And may cashback pa na almost 70,000 pesos and may potential income ng 13.9 million pesos per month. And ang kagandahan dito sa Diamond franchise, no, once you sign up as a franchise, you avail the Diamond franchise, pwede kang magkaroon ng earnings, no, sa food franchise up to 20%. And once you become a franchisee, no, as a reseller, distributor, may discount ka din. Most especially pag gusto mo rin mag-purchase, napasarap ka sa mga products natin, up to 20% discount. And even sa essentials natin, up to 60% discount. And imagine, ganun kalaki rin, up to 60% yung earnings mo as a distributor and reseller. And because the Diamond franchise kasi, meron tayong 31 franchise accounts, so meron tayong 31 incentives. Like for example, no, ang dami mo incentives na pwedeng i-target. Like ito example lang, 10 sasakyan, 10 food cars, 10 no, house and lot, and isang luxury shopping. So actually nasa sa'yo yun. Pero yun yung kagandahan na pag mas malaki kasi yung franchise mo, yung package niya avail mo, mas maraming incentives. And a good news, no, just to share with you, I was saying kanina nung introduction ko, US-based work from home, yung trabaho ko. So what I did was I transferred most of my funds dito sa online franchise business. And just to share it with you with all humility, no, I availed the Diamond franchise. No, and thank God, no, I made the right decision of availing the Diamond franchise because this is one of the reasons why kung bakit kumita agad ako na mabilis in just 2 weeks, 200,000 pesos. Ongoing, and even part-time pa lang yun. But no worries, no, if hindi pa naman kaya ng capital or ng budget, we have very flexible capital options. And actually, you can upgrade naman anytime soon. So ito lang naman yung year projection ng Diamond, no. Sa first month, for example, makapag-refer ka ng 4 partners, no, projection natin, you can already earn up to 400,000 pesos. And syempre, habang tumatagal yan, no, magiging exponential siya na pwede kang kumita up to 13.9 million pesos per month. And imagine, kahit nga sa first month pa lang, sobrang sulit na. No? Sobrang laki na ng kikitain natin dito. And yan, what's a Diamond franchise of being able to have your own business, ang daming incentives, no? Kasama na tong incentives pag naging franchisee ka na, pwede mo nang matarget to, no? And after the Diamond franchise, we have the Ruby. Ang Ruby natin, no, capital fee nasa 268,000 pesos. And sa food franchise, up to 18% no, in discount and yung earnings mo. And sa essentials, no, discount and earnings up to 50%. And ito, may cashback din siya, almost 24,000 pesos and potential income of 6.7 million pesos per month. Plus 15 incentives na pwede kang pumili. Yan, kasama rin yan. Tapos ito, year projection niya, kaya you can already earn up to 6.7 million pesos per month. And actually, sa first month, kahit at least for partners, no, 200,000 pesos, hindi na rin talaga masama. Sobra-sobra na yun, no? And yan, kasama na rin yung incentives na pag naging franchisee ka din, na pwede mo rin i-target to. And after the Ruby, we have the Emerald franchise. No? Ang capital fee nasa 125,000 pesos, 17%, no, up to 17% yung discount, and yung earnings mo for the food franchise. And with regards to the essentials, no, up to 47% ang pwede mong discount or earnings. And meron din na yung cashback na almost no, around 7,000 pesos and potential income of 3.1 million pesos per month. And meron ka pang 7 incentives pag naka-Emerald franchise ka. Na ito yung year projection niya. No, even sa first month, di na rin talaga masama makapag-refer ka at least for partners 94,000 pesos and up to 3.1 million pesos per month. And of course, kasama rin talaga doon yung opportunity mo to be able to target different incentives. After the Emerald, we have the Sapphire. Ang Sapphire natin nasa 53,600 pesos. No? Discount and earnings for food franchise up to 16%. And sa essentials, no, discount and earnings up to 43%. And meron tayong cashback of 1,350 pesos and potential income mo 1.3 million pesos per month. Tapos meron ka pang plus 3 incentives na pwede kang pumili. Ito yung year projection natin. No, even sa first month, no, 4 partners, at least, pwede kang kumita 40,000 pesos per month. And eventually, no, pag nagtuloy-tuloy, pwede talagang kumita up to 1.3 million pesos per month. And of course, definitely kasama rin naman yung opportunity to be able to target the incentives, no? And ang kagandahan naman, ang benefits dito sa House of Franchise, it is only one-time capital fee. So one-time payment lang to. Wala tong monthly maintenance fees, walang annual fees, walang hidden charges. Once you sign up as a franchisee, lifetime franchise business mo na to. And fast return of capital, and we will have your own franchise shop links. And ang kagandahan, no, ang good news, tayo lang din sa buong Pilipinas ang nakakapag-offer ng multi-franchise business. No? Kasi all other franchise companies could only offer one franchise. So one variant lang pwede mong pagkakitan. Pero tayo multi-franchise, we've already tapped the food, the digital, the essentials. No? And the good news din, tayo lang din sa buong Pilipinas ang nakakapag-offer ng online franchise business as of speaking. Because if you do your research, no, even sa social media, may mga businesses of course nag-o-offer ng franchising. But once you get to talk to them, ang may offer lang talaga nila is food cart or physical store lang. Pero tayo, si House of Franchise, dahil nakapatented sa atin ang online franchise business, no? Patented tayo, sabihin protected tayo by law. So hindi tayo pwedeng gayahin ng ibang companies because if they do so, pwede silang makasuhan or worse, masaraduhan. So that is the privilege and advantage of being part of House of Franchise. And ang good news din, no, pag pinili mo tong online franchise business, no overhead expenses, low risk siya. Kasi hindi ka na nga naman magbabayad ng mga tauhan mo, hindi ka na magbabayad ng rental fees, yung utilities, pagbabayad ng bills, no, ng kuryente, ng tubig, even yung mga permits, hindi mo naasikasuhin lahat yun kasi low risk siya. Support system ready. We have a franchise community of 50,000 members na ito. I would like to acknowledge din. Yung earnings ko and yung recognitions awards ko is not because I was doing the business all by myself. It's because tinulungan din ako ng community para kumita rin ng mabilis. And ayun, easy to manage, very doable and portable business. Inheritance, and actually, pwede mo rin ipalipat yung registration ng pangalan ng business mo, papaprocess lang din natin. And you will have access to all branches worldwide. And of course, definitely, ang good news, no, meron pang global incentives, no, yung mga palibre sa sasakyan, house and lot, luxury shopping, libreng panegosyo din ng food cart, physical store, pwedeng i-hit, no? And if you're asking about the profit payout, no, you have two options, no? Like yung nakita mo sa akin in introduction, yung first ever profit payout ko dito sa online franchise business was through BDO check. No, pwede mo i-claim dito sa office, sa Pasig. or pwede mo ipa-authorize yung ano mo, yung sponsor mo na siya mag-claim, or pwede na rin naman through digital. No, pwedeng diretso na sa TokTok Wallet, and a good news, BSP approved tayo. Na pwedeng online transfer, and pag nakuha mo na sa TokTok Wallet, pwede mo naman to i-deposit na sa mga other digital payout natin. And ang kagandahan din naman no, na dati kasi you just have to choose one franchise, no? Magbabayad ka ng separate capital fee for the food, another separate capital fee for the digital, and another separate capital fee for the essentials. Pero ang kagandahan, we have a limited time offer na all-in-one, no? 3-in-1 multi-franchise business na mako-cover mo na to lahat, si food, si digital, si essentials, sa pandemic-proof, future-proof business. And no, dahil nabanggit ko naman lahat ng mga franchise package available for online. So if you're wondering na, Sir James, paano kung hindi pa talaga kaya ng capital or ng budget, pero gustong-gusto na talaga namin makapagsimula? Yun. If you really want to start now, pero limited yung budget, we have good news. Pwede ka pa rin makapag-start ng business right now with our Platinum Franchise Package of 17,888 pesos only. Na ito actually, usually, in-offer sa mga students, sa mga nagte-test of the waters, no? Or yung mga very conservative, or ito talaga yung pinakakaya ng capital or ng budget nila, pwede itong Platinum franchise. And how to start? So talagang if gusto mo na makapag-start, mag-business dito sa online franchising, no? You're just gonna provide your details para ma-activate na natin, ma-process na natin yung shop links mo. No, usually 2 to 3 days para ma-activate, and while waiting, I can already provide to you yung exclusive access natin sa mga training videos para mas mapag-aralan mo rin no, how this business works. And step 2, you're gonna send your proof of payment. Marami naman tayong options depending on your preferred payment. Pwede tayong credit card. No, yung credit card natin, ang available natin as of speaking is yung BDO, PayLife program. No? If you have a BDO credit card, pwede. Pwede natin pa-installment up to 12 months, 1% monthly interest. Pwede rin debit card, GCash, bank deposit, online banking. So marami, no? Even mga remittance, pwede rin. So ito, no? If you have the BDO credit card, pwede up to 12 months installment. And after your franchise, you will be handled and guided by the largest franchise support group, no, if a Relista worldwide of 50,000 members, napakarami, no, na tulong-tulong tayo, no, para sabay-sabay tayong aangat. So get started today and welcome to House of Franchise. And before we end this video, I'd just like to share with you, no, na ito, yung mga franchise partners natin, OFWs, yung mga nasa international, different countries. Look at this, no, ang kagandahan naman, nakakatuwa. Na kahit nasa ibang bansa na sila, syempre, pag nasa abroad, di ba, karamihan naman sa ating mga OFWs, malalaki na rin talaga yung sinasahod nila doon, and mas maayos na rin naman yung system nila doon, no, yung earnings nila doon. So ito, for example lang, no, si Miss Resime Villoria, ang registered nurse natin from United Kingdom, ang total net income niya of doing this online franchise business is 2.2 million pesos. So imagine that, no? Nakakatuwa. Ang daming ways to earn talaga dito. Ayan, marami rin tayo. Other mga OFWs natin from different countries din, na also show you yung mga offline gatherings natin. Ang dami na natin mga franchise partners worldwide. So ayan, like Switzerland, Ireland, Spain, UK, Japan, UAE. So napakarami. We also have Canada, USA. And ito rin, yung mga sample din ng mga kumita na rin talaga. No, iilan lang to sa napakaraming kumita. So ito, sample natin, seafarer, si Mr. Christian, 100,000 pesos. Ito, nagsastart pa lang siya, 2021 pa lang to, no? Ayan, operations manager, senior engineer in Malaysia, 150K, si Miss Amira. Another seafarer, Sir Alan, 230K. E-commerce business owner, Miss Gladys, 320K. Former FA, 220, si Miss Michelle na retrench ng pandemic, no? Pero now, ang laki na ng kinikita niyo dito sa online franchising, kaya full time na niya to. We have another ICU nurse, Sir Alberico, 170,000 pesos. And that's it. And actually, ang dami pang ibang kumikita. Ilan lang yun para at least makita mo lang yung mga testimonials natin. So, ayun no. So, thank you for watching this video. And actually, if you have more questions, no, we can proceed naman to have our own personal, no, one-to-one discussion with me. Ako din, no, James Garcia, ang pinapanood mo ngayon. So if you're already interested in starting, you can already talk to me kung ano rin yung mga franchise packages yung talaga interested ka to start, and kung ano rin yung mga questions mo, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I would guarantee you rin naman na you're not gonna do this business alone. I'm here to help you and yung community natin. So you na nanonood dito, no, about sa online franchising business, I'm looking forward to working with you and meeting you soon. And I'm here to guide you, to assist you para sabay-sabay tayong kikita and aangat. And God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, looking forward to talking with you. No, let's reach out and let's keep in touch. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.